Yeah, bro, your freaking oxygen thing was like above your seat, buddy boy.
Don't call, just text me.
Because I'm a good person. You little move out my way, people. I have to slay the day. We might be in trouble. We might be in trouble.
I found the code.
You will pay for what you done.
Let me get in the seat. I want to get the seat.
Give me the seat.
Yeah, you press those. I found it. I just got hash browns. Yeah. Thank you so much. I don't know.
I don't think this is how actual things work.
Yeah.
Think we're about to put cheese on my biscuit. 5, 4. You're going to the wrong one.
Unicorn mom, you sit beside unicorn mom.
It's to Rainbow Bunny.
Oh, you
There's a snack for everybody.
don't eat it. Oh my god, of course she ate it. I'm not feeling very well.
I'm gonna find that med kit and I'm going to be praised.
Oh, you suck, you little stupid pigtail rainbow hair. She's wearing Christmas. Christmas.
Don't worry, you have a freaking dinosaur hat on.
Shut up. I love laughability, okay? And yeah.
Who the heck is laughability?
Okay, it's a Roblox YouTuber. Chill out. I have interests too.
Am I better than laughability?
Nobody will ever be better than laughability. Ow! He's hot. You're not. Dance like you're having a seizure.
You but not.
I fell off, bro. I fell off. Shut up. That was scary.
Unicorn
We
Bunny died.
should discuss
Rainbow
what the
Bunny
heck
died.
is happening. I know. She sucked anyways. Oh, move out the way. My life values more.
Wait, I'm on myself.
Prob, you just sharded yourself.
I just shorted in all caps.
The bomb.
Looks like a bomb.
It's on the.
Oh no! Come on, Bunny!
Shut up. Cut the red one.
No, cut the blue one.
What if she explodes right now?
I swear I will kill both of you.
Oh.
Hold on, I have to get a thumbnail.
Wait, we need a thumbnail. What?
Wait, did I already unlock the door?
Yeah.
Oops.
Me, yes, I will pay for what I've done. No, I won't. I owe my mom $265 in debt. You think you're here on accident? I accidented my pants as well.
We did it.
you didn't do
We
anything.
saved the plane. I know.
This is legit not how we like it.
Yes, master. Ew.
Squishmallow.
I'm on the grind. Okay, bye, guys.